Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Motorola. Firstly, access Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black. That means that Auto Rotation is definitely off. But you can always turn it back on by choosing the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well and tap on display section. Then scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotation. As you can see, Auto Rotate screen is now disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher. Again! Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!